Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Thursday, January the 23rd. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local share market is set to open lower this morning with ASX futures down close to 0.3%. Tech stocks pushed global equity markets higher overnight after President Donald Trump announced spending plans for artificial intelligence infrastructure. The US dollar initially weakened to a two-week low as tariffs were delayed while bond yields edged higher. There were gains across the board on Wall Street with the S&P 500 hitting a record high, while the Nasdaq was buoyed by the joint venture by OpenAI, Japan's SoftBank and Oracle to invest up to $500 billion to build data AI centers. Shares in those companies surged in response, along with server makers Dell and Supermicro, while Microsoft and Nvidia also gained, along with US traded shares of chip supplier ARM Holdings. Netflix shares jumped higher, with the streaming giant having reported a record number of subscribers for the holiday quarter of almost 19 million, while announcing price hikes. Procter & Gamble advanced after beating second quarter estimates, driven by growing demand for its household items in the United States. Johnson & Johnson fell, although the drug maker reported fourth quarter results above estimates. Ford shares reversed on a broker downgrade. And Halliburton shares slipped after warning of softer activity in North America this year and posting downbeat quarterly revenue. Well, markets are awaiting more announcements from the Trump administration about policies on tariffs, immigration and tax cuts. President Trump has vowed to hit the European Union with tariffs and said his administration was discussing a 10% duty on Chinese imports. He also began his sweeping immigration crackdown, tasking the US military with aiding border security, which could put pressure on the jobs market, leading to a spike in wage growth. The tariff threats have left the bond market in limbo, with traders hesitant to make big bets unless Trump makes more definitive policies. The yield on the 10-year note is up slightly at 4.58% and the 2-year around 4.28%. And the US dollar little changed after earlier dipping to a new two-week low on uncertainty around President Trump's plans. The Aussie dollar trading at 62.7 US cents. And Bitcoin has eased to just below 104,000 US dollars. In the commodities complex, oil prices have fallen to a one-week low after President Trump says his administration would probably stop buying oil from Venezuela, while Saudi Arabia's crude oil exports in November jumped to their highest in 8 months. Brent futures down almost 0.5% at $79 a barrel. Copper is down 1%, iron ore at around 104 US dollars a tonne, and gold has risen 0.5% to near a 3-month high of $2,755 an ounce, trading just below its record peak, fueled by a softer dollar as investors seek its safe haven status. No local data today, but on the corporate front, we get quarterly production updates from Alcoa, Fortescue, Core Lithium, Regis Resources, Santos, Westgold Resources, Karoon Energy and Coronado Global Resources, along with quarterly updates from Netwealth and Insignia Financial. That is your day ahead. See you again tomorrow.